Wala sa hangin ano, pero sinadya ko yun eh. All else sa mapagmabagal pace natin, palitan tayo 1, 2, 3. Kuha mo naman eh. Nung ginawa kong 3 to 5, 5 yung akin, yun medyo naputol na.
Okay na po.
Nung moment sa medyo gumaganon ka na, dun bumami yung mga offense ako. Yung shoot galing, pagkatalikod mo, instinctively pag humarap ka na sa akin, shoot mo na. So ano yun, parang yung drill lang kanina yun, yung defensive, dun lumabas. Kasi agresibo na ako, lapit na ako ng lapit. Sakto nung pagharap mo, shoot, diba? Drill bro, drill. Yan, sige. Hagis mo, George. George, wait, if you have the time, pasok mo yung tali, yung kable sa ano ha, loob ng shin guard mo ha. Pero good job, George. Yan, use the corner, George. Transition the base, yan, napamel ka. Good, drive lang, George. Tanda mo, ibang grappling sa MMA. Ibang grappling sa ano, grappling sake. Kailangan mas magulang ka. Oh, habol lang, kaya mo yan, George. Nice one. Habol, George. Left leg, habol. Right leg, hab. Okay, good job, Tony. Nice, George. Naku, nakuna ka ng likod. Okay. Trabaho mo na, George. Takasan mo yan. Good. Gentleman's game, ha. Op, yan. May malapit na kayo. Abante mo na kayo. Yan. Good job, brothers. Okay. Oh, good. Oy, nice you one. Hey. As promised, 2 rounds sila tuloy. Sir Carl, out ka na? Out ka na, sige.
No!
Okay. Bebe time. Bebe time. Go. Angulo. Very good. Oh, after this teach, you and tuloy-tuloy na si ano ha, Tony at si ano ha.
On same position kayo, uso kayo ng wall.
Oh, gitna lang kayo.
Sila, hindi kayo.
Grab the back of his head, man. Bridge. Go. Bridge papunta sa akin. Kajot. Bridge. Bring his base down. So gravity is in your favor. Then bridge towards me. Grab the back of his head. Grab his head, bro. Grab his head and bridge. Bridge to the side. Grab his head and bridge to the side. Bridge to your right side. Grab his head. O, eto na rin. O, just bridge. Yun. Make sure you flatten him. Very good. Good.
Pound, Genghis, pound. Get up, Genghis.
That's his ring name, Genghis Pound.
Get up, pound.
Genghis Pound. Nice, George. Control mo lang. Tandaan mo, di mo kailangan mag-submit. Bombahin mo. Sapakin mo. Strategic ang bomba. Yan. Di mo kailangan position lang, George. Di mo kailangan makipag-grappling. Establish lang, George. Habol lang, George. Upo, George. Upo.
Genghis, out. Go, Genghis, out. Out.
30 seconds.
Head, bro. Put your head up, yes. Knee, throw knee. Yeah.
Sige lang. Ingatan niyo yung mga nagka-grappling, ha? Yan, good. O, George, bridge. Sipa, gamit ropes. Bridge to the side. Time!